might be high. We'll see when we get to it. But I got Dewey from Colorado Mall Crawlers out here, so hopefully it'll be a good day. Ah! I left that door open. Tricked this Bronco into going first in this first water crossing just to see what it's like. So hopefully he'll be fine. We're not sure about the rest of us with this quad or side by side in the
and it's not just a regular Bronco, it's a Bronco Raptor.
Alright, so we are now at the Flat Pass trailhead. So hopefully we'll get this going and see how far down the trail we can get from this side if we don't get stopped by the water crossing. Who knows? Well, it looks like we're just not getting steel bender in today because this stream crossing also looks deep, which I guess we shouldn't be too surprised because it is the same stream. So my memory serves, this is just a steep ledge right here coming in.
Probably the approach into it.
But the problem is I'm dunking the airbox in that for like a solid amount of time.
And we still don't know what it's like in there. Drop and then you can go deeper, and then say you have your airbox.
It's not a quick in and out.
Oh man.
Well, fortunately, wise decisions are prevailing today, and neither of us are going to hydrolock our engines. Unfortunately, it means no steel bender. Next time. Well, I think that just validated my decision to not go through there.
That was nice. That's just a rear bumper.
So we decided to try the Sal Pass. It's got a difficult rating on the Fun Treks book, at least for the first bit. So hopefully we find something worth doing. It was just right around the corner from that side of steel bender, so it's an easy try. So we'll see how it goes. Right here. I love how driving those with rocks sound. It sounds so cool. Well, not quite the day went as planned, but it's still a pretty fun day. I haven't gotten to this point yet ever on the trail, so this was fun. So Dewey's gonna try and find a place back there. He's gonna try and back up and hope to find a spot he can turn around. If not, I'll have to get up on the side or park over here. Let him up here to turn around. We'll figure something out. It'll be fun. Look at that view off of that valley though. Pretty nice. We got done with that. It was a pretty fun trail. It would have been nice if we could have got up to the pass, but it is what it is. Still a good day, still had some fun. Still got some dirt on the tires, didn't break anything. So it's always a good day. Just hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe if you did. If not, tell me what you didn't like so I can get it better. So until next time, guys, keep on jeeping.